Hello guys, welcome aboard. My name's Justin Williams with the Gulf Coast Yacht Group located out at the Grand Marlin Restaurant and Oyster Bar. We're here today in beautiful Pensacola Bay aboard a new listing, a 2007 Cruisers Yacht 420 Express. This boat is powered by Volvo D6 diesel engines with the IPS joystick docking controls. As you step aboard this 2007 420 Express, you'll notice the large U-shaped seating on the aft deck, ideal for entertaining and for overnight trips with family. As you proceed forward to the helm deck, an ergonomically laid out helm with a GPS chart plotter to the left, Raymarine autopilot right front and center, Volvo, Penta, MPD, multifunction displays. Proceed down into the cabin, you're going to notice the expansive layout of this 420 Express Cruiser. Ideal for two couples with a single master stateroom forward with a private door, as well as the head to the port side, and then we have an aft media room which turns into additional sleeping quarters with a privacy curtain. If you're looking for the ideal express cruiser along the Gulf Coast to enjoy some of the local hot spots on extended getaways or short afternoon sunset cruises, this 420 Express Cruiser is ideal. For additional information about this listing, feel free to contact me at 850-291-0400, or you can always shoot me an email at justin@gulfcoastyachtgroup.com. We look forward to making waves on the water with you and your family.